Hey guys, it's Nanda. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how cute my cardboard Halloween pumpkin sign turned out. So I made these pumpkin signs using cereal boxes. So each one of these pumpkins has 7 layers of cereal boxes. As you can see, it's very thick and sturdy. If you're interested in learning how to make a cardboard pumpkin, you can click on the first link down below. So these pumpkins I made specifically to go with this pumpkin sign right here that I showed you guys on my previous video. If you're interested, watch the video for this pumpkin sign. It will be linked down below too. So in the front is a scrapbook paper, on the back is cardstock. Then I glue the die cut letters, and this one says trick or treat, this other one says happy Halloween, and after that I apply 2 coats of clear Minox protective finish by letting dry in between coats, and then I start adding the embellishments. As you can see in here, I have the witch hat, and then I have 3 little bats in here, and then the black branches and the bow. And this one I just glue a Halloween pumpkin with the black branches and the bow. So they all turn out so cute. I really love it. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.